Good morning. This is going to be a tutorial over variables in Python, and you might hear my two boys. I have two rats. They're pretty awake right now. Excuse me. So you might hear them. If so, I apologize. And let's just jump right into it. So we're gonna create two variables. One variable will be called rat, and we're just going to equal that to shadow, and this will be a string. So it's just essentially a string is like a word or a string of words, and then we're also going it can also be it can also actually be a number, but it has to be in like single quotes if you want to keep it as a string. But we're also going to do an integer, so it'll be age will be our integer, and in this case it's going to be 6. This is one of my rats, by the way. Can't get that from these variables. His name's, I have Shadow, which I actually have a video about him in my other rat, Popcorn, who are being very loud right now. So we're gonna take these two variables here, rat and age, and we're going to, actually we can even do this, it'd be better. You want to be as descriptive as you can with variables, so we'll just do rat underscore age, and then we'll do print. So when you print, that's just showing whatever is inside of that print statement in the terminal. So we'll give you an example here. We'll just do hello world. I apologize, they're being super loud right now. Hello world, here we are, right here. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna print rat plus put single quotes in there and put a space, and I'll explain why. It's because if you don't put a space, then it would push everything together and it doesn't look as pretty. So there's rats, quote, or yeah, single quotes plus, and then we'll do is, and then we'll do another plus, and we'll just do the variable rat age, and then we'll do another plus, and we'll do months old. So now if we run this, oh yeah, so if you want to run a string and an integer together like this, or it has a string and an integer, then we have to wrap this integer inside of a string tag. Tag isn't the right word, but same idea. So we're wrapping rat age inside of string, and then once you run it again, there you go, it works. And we can get rid of these extra quotes here. I don't know why I added that in there. So there's that, and boom. And I'll show you what I mean about putting a space. If you don't put a space like that and we run it, then you see it's like smashed together. So, and that's pretty much variables. So just a good starting point. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.